Hello and welcome to Game Math project. We are continuing using Game Engine, and in this lecture we will talk about game window, and in game window we will create some things, and we will try to see how this look. First thing, we'll be adding one element as a subnode. We will do this from our root 2D node. You can click here on add child micro button, and after that we will use one control which are named label. You can find it by listing all of this nodes, but faster way is when you know what you're searching, just to write it here in a search box, and you will get where these elements can be found. And after that, just click create. We will get one subnode called label, and we can see it here in our game window. As you know, I said before, with these micro buttons you can minimize or maximize your game area. Here is a reset, and we will just move it. Click once on the left mouse button, hold it, and just drag it somewhere in a space. After that we will do some property setting in inspector window, align center, and we will go here in a control part of inspector window, and under the rectangular we can change scale, for example 3. This will be our part here done. If you want to see label, just click on it, and after that we will go to our script. You have added script as shown here. You can open it here by once clicking or on a script button here. There are other methods to open script, but just open it, and we will change some things. When you open a script window, go here to the file system, and we will just toggle script panel to have a little bit more space. And under our function, which are executive part of code, here under a ready function, we will change some things. We have print here for printing some data, but we can add something like this. This is a reference to our label under the script, and if we just write one dot, we can set some property. We will set property for a text, so we will try to set text for this label. Label can show a text. Text will be result of our adding, because we want to see this in a game window. And when we start this, we can get some kind of error. Because error are shown here in a debugger window. Because we have one argument which cannot be converted from integer to string. What to do? We will convert it with other tool. We will say that our variable can be converted with str command to the string. So this C will not be integer anymore, will be string. With str command you can convert integer to string. Now we can show some result in our game window. So first we are learn about our output window, and now we learn about game window, and we see result of adding numbers. Now we will just do some things about our code. We have some parts here for comments. So declare member variable here. This is our member variable. We have one calculation after it, and this is our ready function, and we can delete this delta function. So now we have two comments and other are useful lines. This line giving this output here, we don't need it, but we can put it under the comment, or we can delete it. So you can select this line and we can delete it. Just a second to show you something. If you want to know something about any command, for example this print command, press once Ctrl button, and when you see this underline you can click it once. You will get some simple data. Converts one or more arguments to string is the best way possible to print them to console. Here, let me see for str, for example, one click. Converts one or more arguments to string is the best way possible. There is example, variable b converts string. How to convert string. This is some kind of useful but very simple help system. Thank you for watching. This will be all in this tutorial part or a lecture, and we can continue in the next. Have a good day and goodbye.